Hey everybody, welcome back. In the greenhouse again today. It's the 21st of February 23, and I'm going to install a heating cable in this bed now and get planting some stuff, because I've been leaving this going too long now, and it's another month nearly gone. So it's not actually a heating cable, it is a roof and gutter de-icing kit. Now I used this before. I had one in this bed last year and it burnt out. And the reason for that, I think, is because this bed dries out too much. And once it dries out and the thing turns on, this cable overheated, eh? This is the smaller one. This is half the size of the one I had last year. It's 30 feet and the whole thing draws 150 watts. So 30 feet will go up and down this bed probably twice. The last one I had was way oversized. It went up and down this bed probably 4 times. It's 12 feet long, 11 feet long. So let's get to it. So I got this bed all tilled up and cleaned up and mixed up and whatever, and it's ready to start installing this roof and gutter de-icing kit. Now, before we get started, this is not the recommended application for this unit. I do not recommend installing these things. This is meant for your entertainment value only. This is not recommendations. I did not say to do this, but don't do it. Anyway, let's get going. I'm going to put it in, and I'm going to put it on a timer to kind of regulate the temperature. I do have a temperature controller on the way from Amazon, so I'll be installing that as soon as I get it. But for now, the timer will work. So I'm going to be burying this about 5 inches under the soil, and that'll keep this bed around 25-26 degrees. No trouble at all. So I'm going to start on one end. The bed is about 11 feet long. This cord is about 30 feet long, so that'll go down once and around and back up again, and I'll have another little bit left over to go in the middle. First thing we're going to do is lay it out, see where she's going to go. Without killing too many tomato plants. I'm going to lay this pad on it. I got her laid out there somewhat. And that's how she looks. point here, I'll just come right up through the middle as far as it'll go and end it off. Okay, so now I got to dig a trench and bury all that. We're just at the last of it now. I got 3 full lengths to hole up and down the bed. Just about. I'm about a foot short on this end. Hi. Hands are dirty. So I'm just going to finish burying this, and then we'll take the soil's temperature, and we'll come back in I don't know, 4 or 5 hours, and we'll take our temperature again. See if it's doing anything. Okay. I just had this, I just shot that before and realised I didn't click the record button. So here we are doing it again for you guys. The joys of making videos. Yeah. Keep down there. Keep down there. Keep. You don't want to have any rocks, sharp rocks or anything up against this either. Now I'm going to wash my mitts. There. Now. Done. Take a look. On the surface, it looks like just an ordinary bed, but deep below lies a sinister secret. Clementines, oh my darling. So let's take the temperature of the soil now and see what we're dealing with. Okay, I'll get my my little meat thermometer. See what we're dealing with here for temperatures. There's about 13 or 14 here in the greenhouse. Right now, let's go AM, FM. Oh, don't change to Celsius. How come? Oh, there she goes. That's the temperature right there. 15. That's the temperature of the inside here. So we put it down in the soil and give her a second. Temperature up here on the shelf, 15 degrees Celsius. That soil looks like it's about 10 degrees Celsius. So I don't have that cable turned on yet. I'm just trying to figure out how to work the timer again now, because I forget. I got a good memory, but it's short. So yeah, it's about 10 degrees, and we'll check that later on after a few hours and see if the temperature has risen by any amount of degrees. Last year when I put seeds in here, I put soil in here on the 18th of December and planted seeds. I can't remember what day, but 2 days I had germination in this bed, which is pretty good. 2 days. It's like fast food. The fast food greenhouse. Alright, we'll check back in a little while. Don't go nowhere. So there's the end of the cable with the power supply. And I've got it plugged into this timer, which I've got set to 3 hours on and 3 hours off. Okay, right now it's about 1:30. I've got it set to 12:30. Oh well. That's okay. It's gonna be daylight savings time anyway. But anyway, we'll come back around, let me see, in a half, 2.5 hours. So it's 1:30. We'll come back around 4 o'clock and we'll take our temperature again and see what we end up with in 3 hours. Alright. Okay. It's about 4 o'clock now. We have a 2.5 hours and a 2.5 hour on cycle on the timer. Let's go check. See if our soil warmed up either bit. Okay. And the temperature in here is about 16 degrees. And there's our bed. Remember it was 10 degrees earlier. Let's see what it is now. $62. 16. Yeah, that's after a couple of hours. $16 way down here this end. Is she any warmer up in the other end, I wonder? Cooler up here. So she's after improving slightly. Oh, she's warmer there. Yeah, she's working. She's working. We'll come back in the morning and she'll be after having another couple of cycles on. See how she goes. It is now the next day, about 7:45 in the morning. That old bed is after being through 3 or 4 cycles. But anyway, let's check the temperature in that bed now. So the soil's about 18 degrees, right there. Let's try her in a different spot. Let's try her back here behind the camera. We got 20. So we got a nice temperature increase. Should be good for germination. However, I'd like to but I'm going to play with that timer and see can I get the temperature up a little tiny bit more in that bed. I'd like it around 23, 24 degrees. So maybe what I'll do is add a half an hour onto all the on times. We'll play around with that. We'll try that out. Check it again after. All right. Good morning. It has now been 6 days since I put that heating cable in the bed. I've been playing around with the timer, trying to get it up to the temperature I want, around 23, 24, 25 degrees. And I finally got it up to where I need it. I got it up to about 24 degrees, and in order to do that, I had to set the timer for 5 hours on and 1 hour off. Seems to be doing pretty good there now, 24 degrees. And that'll work for me. That's perfect. Perfect temperature. So that's what she is there. Let's see if she's the same in here. Put it around where the cable is. Oh, she must be right on the cable there. $31. Wow. Okay. Let's try moving her. That's where she was. Move her back here a tad. $24. So maybe I'm. Yeah, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I can get some stuff planted in here now. It was real cold, bitter cold last night. It was around 5:30 this morning. It was around minus 19. Of course, by that time the fire in the stove was after dying down. So this greenhouse got down to 2.4 degrees or something this morning. It's the coldest it's ever been in here. But with this heated bed, I think I'm good to go. I can plant some stuff in here now. 26 degrees. She's pretty good. So as always, I'm glad you came by. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I look at you.